This tutorial video is showing you just a quick overview of how the monthly tabs work. Each month has its own separate tab for tracking your income and expenses. Right now I've got a couple of example ones showing up in December. On the 12th, we had Jenny Thompson paid us $15,000 for a 3-month payment for Google marketing. We had Bob Smith, we paid him $500 for setting up all of Jenny's Google stuff. So getting her Google Analytics, her tag manager, her business page, all of that crazy stuff that Google does. And then we paid WP Underdog $40 for hosting the website. There are other income and expense categories or things that you can add here. The categories are automatically populated from your chart of accounts. So you can see that there. You can see affiliate income, sales, owner draw, and owner investments. So your equity categories, if you add your own money to your business or you withdraw your own money from your business, you can keep track of that in your bookkeeping. Now, how this affects your chart of accounts, we'll just give you a quick overview of that. As you can see, your year-to-date options have been adding up together. There are some example expenses in November and January on this spreadsheet, just so that way I could have it fill year-to-date. And if you look at your year overview, you can see there were some income and expenses in January, a little bit in November, and a lot in December. If you look over here, it shows you you can see your year-to-date profit and expenses, your quarter-to-date, and your month-to-date. And it will also show down here your month-to-month profit and expenses, income and expenses, and your profit margins for each month.